We are here at one of the most unique parks and little walking trails here in Pennsylvania. We're at the Hoover-Mason Trestle in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So this steel stack area was once part of Bethlehem Steel. At Bethlehem Steel, they created materials that were used in buildings like the Empire State and the Chrysler Building. The material was also used in famous bridges like the Golden Gate Bridge. In the 1990s, Bethlehem Steel closed and this area sat abandoned. They created the Hoover-Mason Trestle. It's located 46 feet above the ground, and it is a metal walkway that they created on the site of the former narrow gauge railroad that was used to carry the supplies to create steel. So as you walk along this walking path on the Hoover-Mason Trestle, you can just look at these incredible structures. The thing I really loved about it here was that there's gardens. There's a garden club who plants all kinds of flowers and beautiful shrubbery. So you've got this really cool mixture between industry and these decaying buildings and parts, but then you also have beautiful flowers and there's bumblebees buzzing around and plants, and I think it's a really cool combination. So when we were in Bethlehem, I knew I wanted to check out the steel stack area and this Hoover-Mason Trestle. Now, I had seen this area in an incredible drone video that Craig Koppel had put up. And I'm going to link to his channel in my description because his drone footage of this area provides a totally different view, and it's a beautiful sunset video, so be sure to check that out. The other thing I noticed when I was here is that it seems like this site has done a really good job of preserving, but then also revitalizing the area. It looks like there's a concert venue, there was a casino, some shopping areas. So it seems like this is a revitalized area, and yet they've also saved the history and have all this here for a place for people to walk and a chance for people to learn. There's tons of plaques sharing all kinds of information about the steel making process and the people who used to work there. One other thing I wanted to point out is at the one end of the Hoover-Mason Trestle, there are elevators. So this is handicap accessible. If you've got a baby stroller, you can use the elevators there to get up on the trestle and then get back down when you're finished. Hope you all enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching.